Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you deserve. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
So open Chrome, type Pinterest, open the first link and type manga panels. Make sure you type manga panels. Open any photo. In this case I am going for the Hinata one. Just press on the three dots and download it. Download the pic. It will come in your downloads. So go to your downloads and open it. You can also print from there, print from your default photos, but it will come in a single page, A4 size. We don't need it. We want 2 or 3 manga panels on a single page, so we need to a third party app, like a editing app. In this case we are going to use Photoshop. Just click on Photoshop, open it and go to the print and create new and choose the A4 size. A4 size, and continue with it, and you can check the width and pixels and RGB format, but it's a black and white manga. We don't need to check it. Just create and click it and drag that photo on your Photoshop with your mouse. Just drag it, press it and resize it. So make sure you're going to resize it in 2 split. I'm going for 2 split. So make sure let's going to the reshape, just to the size. Yeah, okay, it's look good. Yeah, resize it. Yes. So go to the another photo. I already downloaded it. It's from My Hero Academia, and also resize it with it. Okay, and okay, just yes, now it's looking good. Press Ctrl P or go to the files and go for the last option, second last option, print. You can say it. So let's start for our manga posters. Just go to your Pinterest and type manga nahi, anime posters, then enter it and open any poster you like. I'm going for Naruto. Yes, Naruto poster. Like Naruto poster so much. So find it. Yeah, you find it. It's a good one. Download the image. Go to your downloads. Drag that to the Photoshop and resize it to the full screen. Adjustment, make sure the adjustment, you do the adjustment. It's looking fine. And just Ctrl P or print. But we have to change the setting for the photo print. The quality of color print in Photoshop is very good compared to the Windows Pro Photo. So make sure you use Photoshop. This time we are going to change the setting. Okay, we are going to use photo print. Photo paper glossy, because I have glossy. If you have something else, you can go to select high. Okay, I'm gonna use standard. Yeah, okay, and print it. So we are going for the anime stickers. So type anime stickers in Pinterest. Yes, you can print anything. There are lots of options. So I need to check something. Check. Yes, 𝖘𝖊𝖊𝖇. Download it. We need to remove that background from this photo. So I will give the type background remover in Chrome. I will give you the link also. And drag that photo to this website. Simply that. Downloads. And yeah, 𝖊𝖊𝖊𝖇. Oh, what's up, Chrome? We'll remove the background. We're going to remove the background, so you can download it. Then again download this image, open it, and drag this image to the Photoshop. Resize it. You can resize it whatever the size you want for the sticker. It's sufficient for me. Yes, you are going to do the same things for all the photos here for stickers, anime stickers. So you can remove the background, as you can see. Kurama, yes, I like that one. I'm going to download it and drag that to your background remover. I will give you the link of that website in description also. You can check it out.